So basically we use a 32mm waste pipe with some connectors on there that connects to our hoover, and we literally go across the gutters just like so and clean them out. It works very, very well, as I will show right now. So as you can see, I've got it all connected up now to the hoover. I've got my son filming today. Right, I've got a couple of fittings on the end of some 32mm pipe work, and let's clean the gutters. So, you ready?
Yeah.
So, thank you. What I'm going to do is, I'm just going to show you what it's done so far. As you can see, it really does work. There's still loads more to get up, but it saves being on ladders, and works really well. So let's finish the job. A little bit. A few little stones left. As you can see, it's pretty clear. Now obviously, to get to the top ones, we've got extensions. Just add a longer piece to them, we can do all the top ones. Up here. That's without using a ladder. So, yeah. So that's how much was actually taken out. That's actually mental. Can't believe how many stones are actually in there that come off of the roof. Literally quite a bit. It's well needed doing. It kept dripping over the side, so I do everyone else's but my own. So it's well needed to be done. So yeah, there you go. Gutter cleaning service.